Hi there, I'm Jack Coughlin. For the past 3 generations and 25 years, the Premier Collection family has served your automotive needs. It's always been our goal to make servicing your vehicle as simple as possible, and now, with online scheduling, it's easier than ever. With a few simple clicks, schedule your service appointment on our website right from the comfort of your home. You can also take advantage of the Premier Collection's complimentary pick-up delivery service. We'll come straight to your driveway to pick up your vehicle and provide you with a loaner. From there, our service professionals will get to work, performing the maintenance needed. While completing necessary service and maintenance, we take the utmost precaution to secure your safety as we repair, inspect, and clean your vehicle. We'll even wash your car before returning it back to you. Just another way, luxury comes standard with the Premier Collection.